Hello everyone, welcome back to Chethana Pixel YouTube channel. Mohan Reddy is here. Have you ever struggled with translating text while working on Excel spreadsheets? Well, say goodbye to switching between apps and websites. Microsoft Excel new translate function is here to save the day. In this video, I will show you how this amazing feature can help you instantly translate a text directly into your Excel spreadsheets, making your work smarter and very much faster. Let's dive in. Here I have the product category and product name, two columns, and this product category and product name has different languages. Even I don't know which language it is. Whenever you see the data like this, which is not in English and even you don't know which language it is very easy to detect the language in Excel using detect language function. Let's try. Let me unhide this. Detect language function, and for this the argument is text. You have to supply the text and close the bracket, hit enter. It takes little time to detect and it updates the value. When you drag down, it updates all the languages. This is AR, this is HI. AR means Arabic, HI means Hindi, and ZH hands means this is a Chinese language. This is how you can detect the language. Now let us see how to translate from one language to another language. Here I have the product name and description. I know this language is Arabic. If you don't know, you can use the detect language function which is explained earlier. Equals to translate text product name, comma, I need to choose the Arabic language code here, AR, comma, to which language I need to translate here is English. Let us go to English. The English language code is EN. Press tab, close bracket, hit enter. Now this product name is translated into English. Copy and paste. The whole Arabic language text is translated nicely into English. How cool is that? Now we will see how to translate the text dynamically into multiple languages. So for this, I have here a list of language and language codes. I have already taken into a small table here. So let us set up the data validation here. Select E1, go to data, click on data validation, select data validation. In this hello box, select list, source is the language, then click OK. Now we will get the drop down to choose the language here. Based on this language, I need the language code. Let us use XLOOKUP. Select the language, comma, select the language range, press F4 to freeze, comma, and select the language code that needs to be returned. Press F4 to freeze, close bracket, hit enter. For Germany, the language code is DE. Suppose if I select Chinese, the language code is LZH. If I select Hindi, it will be HI. So let us translate into Hindi now. Equals to translate text product name, comma, the source language is Arabic that we know, comma, the target language is Hindi. Press F4, close bracket. Why do we need to press F4 means when you copy down the formula, the reference should not get changed. Hit enter. This Arabic text is now translated into Hindi. Copy and paste across the range. Now each text is nicely translated into Hindi. See how cool is that? Now let us choose any other language. Go to Germany. This automatically translates into German language. If I select English, in seconds it will be translated into English. If I select any regional languages like Telugu, this automatically translates into Telugu, and if I select Kannada, automatically it translates into Kannada. To make everyone to understand, I am going to keep this language into English so that everyone can understand it. So this is how you can use the translate function dynamically to translate any language text into your desired language. And that's how you can use the translate function in Excel to work effortlessly across multiple languages. Whether you are collaborating with international teams or analyzing multilingual data, this feature is a real time saver. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget give it a thumbs up, share it with friends and colleagues, and subscribe for more Excel tips and tricks like this. Thanks for watching. I will catch you in the next video.